was low, and I chased after money and almost falling for fame. I was standing in the valley when he whispered my name. He said, follow and believe. Come and find your rest in me. It was his love that compelled him to leave his throne on high. It was compassion for the rebel and the final sacrifice. It was mercy that saw beyond my sin to my need. And it was grace that saved a wretch like me. Alright. Now we've stood on the mountain, we've drowned in the rain, but he's been there right beside me every step along the way. And one drop of his goodness is deeper than the sea, so I'll swim in the ocean of my Savior's heart for me. It was his love that compelled him to leave his throne on high. It was compassion for the rebel and the final sacrifice. It was mercy that saw beyond my sin to my need. And it was grace that saved a wretch like me.
Love these old words.
Oh, the love, the true salvation's plan. Oh, the grace that brought it down to the man. Oh, the mighty gulf that God did span for you and me. It was his love that compelled him to leave his throne on high. It was compassion for the rebel and the final sacrifice. It was mercy that saw beyond my sin to my need. And it was grace that saved a wretch like me.